What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Today is a Saturday. We over here at Discount Tire, and as you can see, the WRX is in the bay. It's getting new wheels and tires today, so hope you guys like these. They're very similar to the Type R wheels and not the tires, but okay, look, it's 18 by 9.5 with a plus 44 offset on 265/35 18 Falcon FK 460R tires. I believe I said that all correctly. And it's going to be a meaty setup, but at the same time, it's loud back here. At the same time, it's going to be aggressive, and it's really going to make sense once there's coilovers on the car. So I want you guys just to keep that in mind, all right? But here we go. There's the R, excuse me, there's the WRX. Get the cars confused. All right, and I will show you once they unbox the wheel, and I'll show you the tires too. All right, y'all. Much love and blessings. With me, say hi, mamas. Those are the wheels right over there, you guys, in brown boxes. Take a wild guess what they are. I don't know if you can see in video. Okay, we got the wheels off, the stock ones. Oh yeah. Look. It's just sizing up right now. Alright, what's up y'all? We are back. I am back home now. Lily is actually inside resting, but I wanted to come out here, show you guys what the new wheel and tire setup looks like. The specs are 18 by 9.5 with the plus 44 offset and 265/35 18 tires, which are the Falcon FK 460s, not the R. Falcon FK 460 all season ultra performance. So right here in front of me, okay, is the new wheels tire setup on the WRX, and they look pretty similar, but wow, they pop. Wait till you guys see the lugs I went with. They are forged lugs. They are from Aeroflow Dynamics, so shout out to them. It's probably most likely going to be a temporary solution until my forged Moteki with reinforced wheel locks and lugs come in. They were on back order, so I've been waiting about a week and a half now, so probably next week they should ship. So we'll throw those on and then sell the AFDs, most likely. I don't know yet. I want to see what the Motekis look like, but yeah, yada yada yada. If you guys really enjoy this video, smash that thumbs up button for me. Greatly appreciate it. Helps out the channel. And all right, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think of these wheels and tires. All right, one sec. And here we are. These are the Rotas DPT6s, I believe, something like that. But as you guys can see, they are pretty reminiscent, look pretty similar to my CE28s on the Type R. However, they are not. Let me get up close here. Okay. They're hyper black. They got the forged AFD lug nuts on right now. There is plenty of clearance, 265, so we can drop coilovers on here. Literally, look, 1.2 inches. I mean, at least I can drop it to about right here and still be safe. So, okay, there's the back. There's the front. Close up of the lug nuts. No wheel locks on these. Not yet. Matekis will take care of that. These were just in stock and I needed a quick solution so I can make you guys a video. So I think these were like 75 bucks and the Matekis are like 130, something like that, 140. Let's go over to this side. As you guys can clearly see, look at that. They look good, bro. Honestly, it has a little bit of, you know, push out there with the 44 offset. If I can get a little closer here. Right there, see? A little bit of push out. So, man, they really just filled up that wheel well on stock suspension. Yes, we can lower it more. Obviously, we're going to do that. But for now, this isn't half bad, you guys. A lot better than it was. Let me know what you guys think. It is still pretty high in the back. Like, look how much, what the, I got like 2.3 inches here in the back. I don't know. But those are the tires. You can see the tread. Yeah, fire, bro. FK 460 all seasons. Very grippy. It's got 500 tread wear. And honestly, they're great for wet and dry handling, and even they are good in snow. Maybe not perfect in snow, but they can still handle and hold their own in snow kind of weather. So obviously this is all-wheel drive. That's why I went with all seasons, right? And the 18s, the OEM 18s with the 240, what are they, 245 30 18, I believe was the stock size. Could be wrong on that. Might be 245 40 18, I believe is what the correct size was. So those will be for sale. I'm going to post them up here soon. Hit me up on IG, Skylyfe Projects 86, if you guys are interested in those. Obviously, I'll give my subscribers a great deal. Other ones I'll just sell for the normal price I've been asking for. But yeah, let me set this thing up and right there. Looks awesome. All right. So, if you guys like what you see, leave a comment. Say, Jay, they look good. Or Jay, maybe you should have went with something else. Maybe you should have went with a different color. Maybe a different offset. Whatever the case is, just let me know in the comments. And let's have a conversation. But you guys, honestly, I love them, bro. Straight up, I think plus 44 offset is just beautiful. Absolutely perfect on these cars. Don't worry, we're not going to leave it stock suspension for long. Gonna get coilovers, obviously, for that. But for right now, I really can't complain. I think they really offset the beautiful ice metallic silver. Obviously, they're hyper black, so they do change color when it gets nightfall compared to when the sun is shining on them. So, all right, turn it back around one time. I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love, major blessings to everybody. Never hesitate, never give up. Always put your best foot forward. Live life to the fullest the way you want to live. Don't let anybody else tell you how to live your life. All right? Blessings, guys. Skylyfe. Let's go.